Hello, friends. Today we're off again to visit our new friends, fun puppies Bluey and Bingo. Let's put together a puzzle and see what they are up to today. I think so. We need little Let's go, friends. Okay. Number 1, we need 4 corners. Corners, this, and this for corners. Okay, I see corners 1. What do you say? For these corners, place these, or this. I think so. For these corners, place this. Not, it's not red, right? No. Okay, now variant number 2. Oh no, it's not right. Okay, variant number 3. Yes, it's right. Cool. Interesting. And I see corners number 2. This. But I don't know. Where is plate versus peach puzzle? This or this or this? Okay, maybe this. Oh no, I'm right. It is not right. This. Yes, it is right. Line this and line this. It is right. Right. Oh, look, friends, it is 2 corners. Corners number 1 and number 2. We have 2 corners and now we need, 2 corners. Okay, these corners. Place this or this? I think so, this. No! Why? Oh no! Okay, and number 2. It is right. And corners number 4, this. Ta-da! Now we have 4 corners. Yoo, friends, we did it. Wow! And now we need all peach puzzles with one side line. This, and this. Okay, I think so. We need peach puzzles for this. And now, puzzle this line this. Yes? It's not. Maybe this. No, it's not right. This not. Oh, look, friends. I see line this. And I think so. It is plates for these peach puzzles. Yes! Look, it's right. Cool. I like it. And okay, now we need peach puzzle for this plates and line this side. Right and left. Yes. Right. Okay. This not. Oh, friends, look. This is line and this line right here is. Okay, I think so. It is right. Yes! No, friends. It is Bluey. Oh. Why not? I don't know. Okay, maybe blue, maybe no. Maybe not. Now we need 2 peach puzzles with line this. Oh, yes, friends. I see, but I don't know. This or this. Where is right? This or this? Okay, maybe this. No, it is not right. Okay, this. Yes! Oh, this is amazing. Okay, and now we need only 1 peach puzzle with line this. Maybe this. No, it's not right. Line this, but we need line this. Oh yes, guys. so. It is right. Oh! Cool. I think so. It is blue. Yay! Let's add well with 1 peach puzzles and see. Okay. We need 2 peach puzzles. This line, this. I see 1 peach puzzle and 2. Okay. Where is number peach puzzle number 1? This or this? This. No! Why? sorry. This. Yes! Great. And these peach puzzles are this. Oh yeah. Cool. Look, friends, we did it. Now we have all peach puzzles with 1 side line. We did it. We are beautiful people, children, guys. Okay, and now we need only 2 peach puzzles in the center. And I think so these peach puzzles. This. Yes! It's mommy and daddy. Or it is Bluey and Bingo. Okay. Hello, friends. What are you doing?
You ready?
Ready?
Turbo boost!
Wow.
I'm gonna win! Hey!
Finish line.
Finish line, We win!
That's good exercise.
Oh, it is very, very beautiful family. Oh, thank you, friends. Thank you for your help. Please subscribe and like this video and see you soon. Bye bye.